This evening we are having an aperitif at the Autocorriere, a well-known place here in Faenza, where it has been for 12 years. That there are Garvan speakers installed, and only now we are taking photos and videos. In the place, there are many in-wall speakers. There's even one here. Unfortunately, it's visible little because being flush with the wall and the grille is in the same color, it is hard to notice which is the effect that we wanted to achieve. There is also a TV down here, and then they are arranged all the way to the back of the place. So this whole part here, the in-wall speakers were custom made approximately about 12 years ago. It's a bit of an evolution of what the Sim 112 is. It's a speaker made to play in a venue, and it seems to handle around 110 or 120 watts RMS. I came very early to make this video. Otherwise, any time would have been impossible to make this video. Always full of people. The subwoofer is custom too. It's super integrated. Let's go upstairs to the slot machine room. Where I want to show you a very special acoustic speaker integrated into the lamp. A custom product, unique pieces that we made only for this place. This lamp, right above my head, it looks like a lamp, and it actually is a lamp, but it's also a speaker. Besides the lamp, there are specifically two speakers, one on this side and one on the other. They are perfectly integrated and flush with the lamp. This lamp was designed by the Bartolletti Cicognani Architecture Studio, and the entire casing is made of plaster.